Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I was doing a breast cancer awareness look for work. You see I got my headband here, even though my hair is kind of messed up because it is the end of my day. And then I have the breast cancer ribbon here. Somebody asked me, she was like, are you wearing a breast cancer tattoo or did you do that yourself? I'm like, I did it myself with eyeliner. She's like, well, did you make a video? I'm like, no. But I was on live this morning, which was an epic fail because at first I was going to draw a pink line here and then I was going to do, like, make a ribbon. But I was half asleep and instead I put one line right here and then the other line going this way instead of crisscrossing them together. You know, I ended up taking it off and just doing this instead. So I said, why not just go and do, you know, show myself doing the ribbon in case no one knows how to do it and it's beginner friendly and I'm no means an artist. You know, I have a hard time drawing freehand, let alone on paper, let alone on my face. I am a beginner, but I got so many compliments on this today. I said, why not just show myself doing the one eye? So I just drew, you know, a standard line on my eyeliner. I drew a standard line of eyeliner on my eye using this pink liquid eyeliner that I got on Amazon. You get like 10 or 12 colors. It was about 12 or $15.99 or something. I don't remember. Anyway, so I'm just gonna, now watch me not be able to get this right now that I'm recording. So I already got a standard line and then I'm just gonna create the ribbon. Trying not to go too thick. And that would be my 3-year-old. I'm sorry, I'm so tripping today. My 4-year-old playing the video game. His birthday is actually on November the 3rd and he's going to be 5 years old. So you just create the ribbon like so. Not much to it. Kind of took my fan to let it dry. Trying to dry it. And when I was done doing my whole complete ribbon, I patted some translucent setting powder on it to try to keep it in place all day so it wouldn't like crack on me and start to peel. And then now I'm just going to take this white and outline it. So I feel like that brings it out a little bit more. It's easier for me to do this with liquid eyeliner. So I've done it with glitter. And it's really difficult with glitter without putting too much on. That's the problem. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah, take on.
Today I'm still at school.
Oh, Papa, he going to fly.
Maybe.
What are you doing?
I'm doing makeup. What you doing?
Whoa.
For some reason that looked a lot better this morning than it does right now. But you get the concept. That's all that I did. And I just band it. Last week I drew a ribbon on my face. And the reason why I didn't want to do that today is because I work at a pro desk at Home Depot where I use the phone and stuff like that. And I kept finding myself putting my hand on my face and I almost wiped it off. But I had drew a ribbon on my cheek. And I got a lot of compliments on that as well. And then I took my Mood Laura Sanchez rose gold or whatever eyeshadow, I don't remember the name, and of course the name is not on this little sample I got from ISPI. And I just took a little skin brush like this and like dabbed it on there. And this ribbon is not as neat as it was this morning when I wiped it off, but I will put pictures in this video so you can see what I mean. And that's it. That's how you get a ribbon for breast cancer awareness on your eye. And have someone think it's a sticker or a tattoo and you draw freehand. I'm sure you guys that can draw much better than me probably did a better job. Anyway, as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please leave a comment on what other video you might like to see me do. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.